Hello recyclers! Today I will show you how to make gemstones from plastic bottles and soda cans. It's a quarantine-friendly craft, so especially with Halloween coming up, it's useful for making jewelry, costumes, decorations and more. Interested? Then let's look at the materials and get started. So, like I've done in these videos, first we need to cut the bottom part of a classic plastic bottle. Watch this video for a more detailed explanation. Try to cut a symmetrical shape that's as flat as possible. Today this is what my piece looks like. For the bottom of the gem you'll need a soda can. You can use the silver inside of any can or use the outside and find nice colors. I will use this beautiful sap green.
Sap green, some sap green.
To straighten the metal out, you need this exact pen, otherwise it won't work. Cut the piece so that it fits right under the plastic, but don't worry if it's not completely perfect. Now take a piece of tape and cut it into thinner strips. Use 2 of them and make a cross on the back of your metal. Then trim the tape a little. And now you can tape the plastic onto the metal. To cover the tape and the uneven edges, I like to use a paper towel or a napkin. Again, you can try different colors or use paint later on. Take a piece and cut a hole that's a bit smaller than your gem. If you want the border to have a different color, now is the best time to paint it. I'm using black acrylic paint here. When it has dried, spread some glue on the back and stick it to the gem. Cut off the excess, but leave enough material to fold under the gemstone. Also cut slits to make folding easier. Apply more glue and fold the excess to the back. Turn it around and gently smooth everything out. You could stop right there, but I will brush on some golden acrylic paint with a dry brush that has very little paint on it. Don't worry about getting paint on the center. You can easily clean it up with a toothpick. I think it looks a bit like metal now. If it's needed, you can cover the back with another piece of paper towel. And it helps if you open the glue first. If you want to make a pendant, use a map tack to make a hole. I like to do that on newspaper or cardboard. Insert a jump ring and you have homemade recycled jewelry. Here are some other experiments I made. You can put your own twist on it. I hope this idea inspired you, and here are some more gemstone tutorials for you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.